Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this 3M PELTOR Optime 2 earmuffs. 31 decibel, they're in green, also available in high visibility green too. But I like this green more. It's a headband, an H520A-407-GQ. This is an ear hearing protection against noise arising from environments with substantial industrial noises or construction machinery, the airports, and agriculture work. Soft white cushion helps reduce the pressure around the ears and improve the comfort and the variability. Large space inside the cup helps reduce moisture and heat build-up. It's easy to replace the cushions, and insert helps to keep them hygienically clean, as you can see. It's really easy to perform this stuff. This is the 3M personal protective equipment. It's solely intended for occupation workplace use. This 3M personal protective equipment must be used in compliance with the occupation's health and safety legal requirements and standards, as well as all the user instructions, warnings, and limitations accompanying each product. It is essential that all product user instructions and government's regulations on the use of each product be followed in order for the product to help protect the wearer, us. Misses of personal protective equipment may result in injury, sickness, or death. For correct production, selection, and use, the individual should seek occupational health and safety advice from a suitable competition person. But you can see it's really easy to attach it. We have a complete comfort here. The earmuffs feature ceiling rings with environment ventilation channels and are filled with a unique combinations of liquid and soft patterned hygienic foam. This helps to create an optimum seal with low contact pressure, providing workers with complete comfort even during a long term of use, and reliable protection. The Optime 2 earmuffs are designed for use in high-stress workplaces, typically associated with substantial industrial noises or construction machinery, including factories, manufacturing plants, construction sites, airports, and agriculture. This protective earmuffs helps to muffle even extremely low frequencies to a maximum degree and provide a comfortable, reliable hearing protection for workers in these environments, and maximum visibility for workers who need to be in excellent visibility at all times, as well as having their hearing protective. Choose the Optimus 2 earmuffs in high-wise green. These protective earmuffs are ideal for workers carrying out tasks at night on roads, for example, or construction sites, airports, or in the high-risk, low-visibility workplaces. The Optime 2 earmuffs are ideal for professionals working in noise-demanding environments. The ceiling rings features efficient ventilation channels and are filled with a unique, compatible, liquid, and soft patterned. The earmuffs are designed to use in environment typical associations with substantial industrial noises or reconstruction machinery, including factories, manufacturing plants, construction sites as well. And you can see it's really easy to wear, and it makes a good job if you are going to have a loud area to fight against with the 3M PELTOR Optime 2 earmuffs. 31 decibel. It's green earmuffs here with a headband. The H520A-407-GQ. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.